Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to install Canon LBP 2900B printer driver in Windows. So the first thing that we are going to do right here is to open our browser. So just open any browser right here, and then on the search bar, just search for Canon LBP 2900B driver download. And then once you do that, just click on enter. And then in this part, just look for this specific website. So just look for this and then click on it. And then in this part, you will see that it is a Windows 64-bit driver. So make sure that you are also using the same one. So if you want to check it, just go here on the search bar and then search for system information and then click on open. So you should be able to see it right here. So as you can see, I'm also using 64-bit PC. So that is fine to download. So after that, we're going to click on download right here. And then after downloading, we're going to click on open file. So after that, once you do that, just click on File Explorer and then go here on the download, and then you will see a folder which is right here. So you will see LBP 2900 file. So what we're going to do next is to go here on the search bar and the search for control panel. And then after that, click on open. And then in this part on the view by, make sure that it is on large icons. Just look for devices and printers. So click on that. And then in this part, we're going to click on printers and scanners, and then click add device. After that, just click add a new device manually, and then click add a local printer, which is right here, and then click on next. And then for the use an existing port, just click this and then look for a USB port right here. So if you see a USB port right there, make sure that you choose that. But as you can see in my case, I don't have that, so I'm just gonna use this null. After that, click on next. And then for this one, just choose the manufacturer right here, which is Canon, and then click on Have Disk, and then click on Browse. And then let's go back into the file that we have just downloaded, which is this one. So we're going to double click on that, click on the 64, click on Driver, and then just double click on this. After that, just click on OK. And then as you can see, we now have the printer right here, and then click on Next. For the printer name, you will be able to change it right here, but I will just leave it as it is, and then click on Next. After that, the printer will now be installed into your PC. So all you have to do is to just click on Do Not Share, and then click on Next, and then click on Finish. And then if you see right here, we now have Canon LBP 2900. So that is basically it.